Hello everyone! In this video, I show you how to sew a double zipper pouch using fabric scraps. This easy DIY sewing project is perfect for beginners and great for using leftover fabric. This small zipper pouch can be used as a wallet, cosmetic pouch, phone pouch, or multi-purpose organizer for daily use. If you enjoy easy sewing tutorials, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Prepare 2 outer pieces and 4 lining pieces, 3/4 inches by 4 3/4 inches. For better structure, attach interfacing to 2 of the lining pieces to make them sturdier. First, make the pattern for the main outer piece, following the instructions shown in the video. Prepare 2 outer pieces, measuring approximately 8 3/4 inches by 6 inches. Attach half interfacing to the fabric for extra structure and stability. Cut the fabric for the flap. Prepare 2 outer pieces, measuring approximately 7 inches by 5 inches. Attach half interfacing to make it sturdier. Make the pattern for the flap piece, following the instructions shown in the video. Cut the fabric for the gusset section. Cut 2 outer pieces and 2 lining pieces, approximately 14 inches by 1 1/4 inches. First, make 2 zipper tabs, measuring approximately 2 inches by 2 1/4 inches. Next, make the pouch strap first, measuring approximately 16 inches by 3 inches. Fold it only partway and leave about 2.5 inches at the end unstitched. Next, I will start working on the flap section. Sew all the way around, leaving a few inches open. Attach the magnetic snap first before continuing. Top stitch all the way around, leaving the center part open. Next, we will make the front pocket. Attach the magnetic snap first, about 3/4 of an inch from the top. Then, attach the pocket piece to the main outer fabric and sew it in place. Next, attach the flap piece and stitch it in place. Next, attach the zipper tabs first, then sew the gusset with the zipper. Next, sew the gusset onto the main pouch piece. Attach the lining pieces to the main pouch, leaving a small opening unsewn. For the final step, place both main pouch pieces together and sew around the edges, leaving an opening for turning. And finally, we've completed today's project. Don't waste the fabric scraps you have at home. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Keep following my channel so you won't miss more interesting videos in the future. Thank you for watching.